way to the Big Lagoon!
Maraming magandang lugar ang pwedeng matuklasan dito sa Lupang Sinilangan. Ako nga pala si Jose Sian, ang iyong travel guide. Kaya samahan ninyo ako tuklasin ang mga yaman ng Pilipinas. Mula sa dalampasigan at isla, kabundukan, makasaysayang lugar, at masubukan ang mga masasarap na pagkain. Baka ito na ang iyong next travel adventure. Kaya tara na, samahan ninyo ako at magbiyahe na tayo. Okay, so we just arrived here in Lime Hotel. Yes, another day, another adventure. We are here in El Nido, Palawan. Yes, so here's the view. This is it. This is the view. So time check, it's 4:52. Medyo cloudy lang guys, pero all good. So we just gave out our IDs for our check-in. Reception. Okay, so meron tayong complimentary drinks. Thank you, Sir Stephen. 5 hours of trip from Puerto Princesa, guys. Sakto. Cheers. Excited, guys. Bukas tayo may island hopping tayo, guys. We took tour A for our trip and hopefully the weather will be perfect tomorrow. Hopefully. We just need to register our names, gave out our IDs here in the reception. Really? Look at this, guys. This is the pool view of our hotel room here in Lime. Look at this. Wow. How's your pictorial kanina, love? Sa ano? Yeah. Yeah, it's a little bit cloudy, but it's okay. The drone managed. Kahit naulan na onte, okay lang. Okay, so first night namin dito sa El Nido, Palawan. We just arrived, checked in, swam a little bit, and now we're gonna look for a food, a place to eat here in El Nido, Palawan. Let's see what they offer here. Checked in at time, yeah, the infinity pool is so breathtaking. Ang ganda ng view, lalo na kung maaraw pa, grabe, perfect na perfect. So hopefully tomorrow makuha tayo ng magandang shot sa ating drone.
So for the food here, we have a seafood platter, meat platter for sharing. The name of the restaurant is a Centrale.
So we found
So far here we have a good
So we found a place to eat here. Yeah, this is it, guys. We're gonna eat here our first night. And the selling point is the buy one take one. The selling point is the buy one take one. Drink. Ano bro? G?
G.
All goods in the hood. Yeah, so there's a billiard table din dito, guys. So ayan oh. So mamaya laro tayo dyan. So it's like a bar resto. Yan. Okay, so we got our drinks. This is the strawberry margarita. Cheers. Yeah. Buy one, take one, guys. And we got the chicken wings, guys. Here. Ooh, spicy. Perfect. Pagkain mo, pagkagat mo, iinom ka na. How's the chicken, love? Ha?
Perfect.
Yeah. Shirley, kamusta yung chicken?
Spicy.
Sarap. This is just the first night here in El Nido. Ready for 2 more nights. Let's go. Seafood platter, guys. We got the shrimp. Very laki. Grilled shrimp. Sarap. Calamari. Masuk sa dun, guys. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Dapat sasayaw.
Parang Vikings. Oo nga eh. Guys, pangatlo. Third buy one take one, guys. And thank you na napagbigyan kami to get this promo kahit out of the time na we got this. Okay. Woo, sarap. You must try it here, guys. Visit this restaurant when you go here. Worth it ang pagkain. Dami serving, nakita niyo naman kanina. Yung mga serving, tsaka yung taste, okay na okay. We didn't see this on TikTok or YouTube or Facebook. Naglakad lang kami and nakita lang namin. And we saw the promo, that was the catchy part. And then we went in, we tried the food, it was okay, it was perfect. Perfect for the first night here in El Nido, Palawan. Guys, go and visit this place. Shoot nga! Gitna lang. Nice one. Oh, prepare oh. Naka-prep. Oh, ay, size sobra. Sobrahan. Alright, another day, another adventure. Day 1. Technically, this is our day 1 kasi hapon na kami nakarating kahapon. And today, we're gonna take up Island Tour A. Kaya kasama si Kenneth and his family. And our birthday boy. Yes. Woo! Let's go. Are you ready? Yes. We're just waiting dito sa ating tour guide. And we're ready to go. Buti na lang lumabas yung araw. And hopefully, lumabas pa siya. Another day, another adventure. We are here in El Nido, Palawan. And this is our itinerary for today. Tour A. We're going for island hopping. And yes, the sun is out, guys. The sun is out. And I'm here with my beautiful wife. Yan. So, let's go, let's go. Ready? El Nido, we're ready. So we're still waiting for our bangka. And look at this, guys. Napaka-clear ng tubig. The water is really clear. Ayan o, tingnan nyo naman yan, guys. When the sun is out, El Nido is so beautiful. Ayan. So hopefully magtuloy-tuloy yung araw, ganyan lang. Okay na yan. All goods. So See those mountains. El Nido is really known for this kind of scenery. Ayan. So, ganda. Guys, sobra. Ito na tayo bangka natin.
Okay, ma'am sir, good morning. Lahat po ba tayo ng breakfast na po?
Yes! How about you?
Ako lang yung wala. Okay, ma'am sir. So, welcome here in El Nido, Palawan. And welcome aboard in BCE, the Grace of God boat. Huwag na po natin pakakalimutan po yung pangalan ng boat po natin kasi every destination po, marami pong boat, magka-size, pero magkaiba po yung number or pangalan.
Anong boat?
Ang
Grace
pangalan
of
po
God.
ng boat natin is the Grace of God. Pero wala siyang pangalan. Okay, so yung tour po natin ngayon is Tour A, right?
Yes.
Yung Tour A po talaga is mayroon po siyang 5 destination. First na po natin, 7 Commando. And then yung part ng 7 Commando, hindi po siya island hopping, kundi po inland tour. Behind lang po ng Rocks Formation yan. Magta-travel lang po tayo ng 10 to 15 minutes. And then second stop po natin, and Big Lagoon or Secret Lagoon, and then snorkeling area or lunch area. Payong-Payong Island. Kaya po siya tinawag na Payong-Payong Island kasi yung shape po ng island is like umbrella. Yes po, na naka-open and then naka-close. Okay ma'am sir, yung bawat stop na pupuntahan po natin, mayroon po tayong time or limited time lang po tayo. Bawat stop na pupuntahan natin, first destination natin, magtatagalan po tayo ng almost 40 to 50 minutes. Kasi private po kayo, bahala na po kayo sa time po
Sarili
natin.
natin.
Yes po. And then maximum po talaga na makakabalik po tayo dito sa proper town is more than 3:30 or around 4.
Okay.
Okay, so paalis na po kami dito. And si Kuya Jojo, inintroduce lang yung boat rules and yung mga destination na pupuntahan natin. And we're ready for the island tour here in El Nido, Palawan. Okay, so picture daw muna guys. Let's go! Nice. Our first stop, 7 Commando Beach, guys. Grabe, ang ganda dito. Napakaputi ng buhangin. Fine white sand. And they have a volleyball court here. Ayan. So, grabe. Ang dami ring tao. There's a lot of people. Let's go for a quick swim, guys. Woohoo! Sarap! So let's check the area from our drone. So papunta na tayo sa Secret Lagoon. We're just done with 7 Commandos. And now we're on to our second part of our Tour A. So let's check this out. Ito tayo sa second part, pero napakalakas ng ulan. Eh, baka hindi na kami mapunta sa Secret Lagoon. Kasi part na siya ng open water. So, dito na kami sa may snorkeling area. Ito guys, so tingnan nyo. And it's raining. So, we're in the Entalduga Island. Dito tayo mag-snorkeling guys. And we're gonna use this one. Let's go. Let's go. tayo mag-swim and confident kayo, pero siyempre tayo doon 100%, pero marunong naman tayo kaya pagkakas natin ang hawak natin. Ano? Oh my gosh, diba? Experience. Mas maganda yung talaga natin. Go to location number 3. Go! Alright, we are here in our final stop, the Big Lagoon. Crystal kayak lang kami and papasok. So, yan. Hopefully hindi umambon habang nagpapalipad tayo ng drone. Napakahirap doon. So, nagpa-park lang. Minamanubra lang yung bangka. Woo! Alright guys! Woohoo! We're going to the Big Lagoon! So medyo malakas yung current ngayon. And the sun is out! Grabe, nakikisama! Look guys, this is the advantage kung naka-crystal kaya kayo guys. Tingnan nyo. Woohoo! Solid, diba?
We're here at Big Lagoon.
Yes, we're here guys sa Big Lagoon. Please hit the subscribe button if you're not yet. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to be updated for adventures like this. Let's go. So, this is like a secret entrance dito sa Big Lagoon and sobrang sikip guys. Ayan. What's up bro? Ayan, so banking. Boom. Oh. Oh. Straight mo na. Wow, this is amazing. Look. Grabe. Woohoo! Mano-mano. Look at this, guys. So after natin nag-ikot with our crystal kayak, ito, mag-aano tayo. Pwede mag-swimming, picture taking, ayan. So there's a lot of people here. Welcome to the Big Lagoon guys. Ito na yung Big Lagoon. Grabe, ang ganda oh. Woohoo! Look at this. Grabe. At syempre, ang kasama natin ang isang pinakamalupit na tour guide, si Kuya Junjun.
What's up?
This is the entrance guys. So, yan yung entrance. This is the way the Big Lagoon. Yan to. Wow, El Nido. Grabe ang ganda mo. This marks the end of our video. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng suporta at pagmamahal na ipinakita nyo sa amin mga ka-ventures. Para mas marami pang travel ventures, pindutin ang subscribe button at i-click ang notification bell para laging updated. Tulad ng lagi, stay safe, ride safe, God bless sa ating lahat. Kita-kits sa susunod na video. Alright, so first night namin dito sa El Nido Pata. Got. So how's your
Sobrang spicy, sarap. So we ate without this pulled pork na. Gutom na kami.
Happy birthday! You didn't pay the bill! No Wi-Fi! Kagabi cloudy, ay kahapon cloudy na eh.
Saan ba?
We're ready for the Ireland tour. Tour A guys, we're ready. Na. So Kuya's gonna introduce.
Yes po. Magpapakilala po muna ako. Ako nga po pala si Kuya Junjun. Ang nag-iisa niyong tour guide. Junjun po.
Junjun!
Yes. Okay, meron po tayong 3 boatman. And then meron po tayong legendary lifeguard. Kuya Jello in the front. And then we have a one legendary lifeguard in the back. Kuya Ryan. And we have a boat captain. Number 69, Jack Sparrow. Kuya Mark Barot. Yes po. Okay ma'am sir, sa lahat po na gusto magpapapicture, dito lang po tayo sa front, huwag lang po tayo mahiyang mag-picture.
Question Kuya,
About sa...
makita ba natin si Jiong?
Hindi ko pa sure kasi malayong part na po yung city.
Taga saan ba si Jiong Kuya?
Tara sa dito ng Las Cabañas. Yes po, sa part ng Las Cabañas sa Simlay. Pero malayo po yan siya dito. Magkatabi lang po sila ni Katrina sa resort ni Katrina.
Oo.
Katrina, Lili, di ba?
Alele po. Yes po.
Meron dito resort.
Yes.
Ano, paano mo tayo? Papunta ng puerto.
Nakakapagod lang pero okay lang.
Pagkapagod ka na ako naman.
Pagod na ako.
Pagod na. Pause ko muna.
Yeah, boss mo na. Guys, check nyo, pag nag-crystal kayak kayo, while going to the lagoon, you can see what's beneath you. See? Nice, di ba? Oh. Nice. See? Grabe.
Oh, that's a big coral.
Amazing. Ganda.